Valentine's to everyone. I hope you guys are really planning a lot for the day. Okay, starting off with the Flip X1, and just in case you're not aware, this is what is actually a broker available worldwide. So you can just check the link in the description. I'll be leaving a link for in the description if you don't have an account with them. Okay, now starting up with this Flip X1, and please remember, where they don't just offer a synthetic, they also offer normal trades. So you can trade your Forex, your GBP, your EUSD, your pound dollars, your gold, your BTC, a lot and a lot. Alright, so let's start with Flip X1. Okay, let's take out all this noise happening right here. Okay, then go to 15-minute chart to see. Okay, it's actually making a series of new highs, breaking the previous level. So for us to confirm that this change of structure is actually valid, we want to see it. Just the way it's actually uh, go down here, broke above, came back to the test again. We want to see actually break again above this, retesting this for us to go long. I'm sure that is clear enough. So that's for the bullish setup. So for on the bullish setup, we want to see actually breaking above this again, pulling back, those which actually did right here for us to go long. Otherwise, on the short setup, so let me delete this. I'm sure that's clear for the bullish setup. So short setup, since already somewhere around here, we are not expected to actually break above this, but if it actually does, we want to see it breaking below this level, breaking below this level, testing, then we think of going short. Then I think that is clear enough. So let me just okay. I think that's just clear enough. So what my short zone is when it's actually break below this level. That's why I'm looking for short trades. All right. So that's that for Flip X1. So going to the next one, which is Pain 600. Okay, let's go to the fire chart again. We actually see some double top around here. So is it a reversal back to that previous level right here? Or are we breaking out of this? So let's see what's going on the 15-minute charts. Okay. On the 15-minute chart, first, this is actually a bearish setup, but then it can only be confirmed when this, as a bullish setup, but the bearish can only be confirmed when this is taken out. Why did I say that? Now, looking at this, we pick out this against the market. First, it's also able to break above this, stopping here. Then it came down. Could it go above this again? Stopped here. You can see all this rejection. So to confirm that this is bearish is not a setup is actually valid, you want to see break closing below this, then for us to go short to this next stop right here. Now if that is valid, then we see think of going short again. If this is taken out, then we can think of going short again. I feel that is clear. Otherwise, on the bullish setup is going to be validated if this level is closed. Then wait for a pullback for us to go long on this. Okay, so that's that for PainX for 600. So let's go to Gain. So the same thing, Gain 600. Let's go to the 4-hour chart again. On the 4-hour chart, it's kind of similar to that of what's it called, Pain. So we wait for the market to actually break above this. We are not doing anything until this level is taken out or these levels are taken out, either on the positive or on the negative. On the positive, I mean the bullish side. On the negative, I mean the bearish side. So you can actually see a breakout. You can actually see a breakout from this. More profitably, you want to see breakout this one too. Then you can think of going long on the bullish side. Meanwhile, on the bearish side, you want to see it taking this level out, then go short. Otherwise, if it's get to this level and that's a rejection forming new series of new highs, that means we're gonna go long again to this next level. That means you want to be in a range. So please take note of that one. What really happens, just take note. Otherwise, if you're not ready to actually do that, just wait for it to actually break above this or break below this instead of trading the range. Okay, so that's that for GainX 400. So let's go to Break 600. Alright. On Break 600, we're actually seeing a bearish setup. So it seems we are likely to actually see some bullish trades from the rejections and the wicks we are seeing at that zone right now. But let's see what is going on 15-minute charts to confirm what is happening on this market. Okay, so for us to confirm that this bearish is actually validated, having made that we saw this, giving a double top here, still unable to break above this, stopping here. If it actually closes below the level, if you close it below this level, then we are gonna be going short. So that's for the short setup. So short of wait for it to actually close into this zone somewhere around here. Then put your take profit or stop loss above this. Then take profit minimum and 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. I think that's also clear enough. No, remember not yet. We are still waiting for it to actually close below all this level. If possible, you wait for it to close below this. That below this final stop right here, then we go short, and of course stop loss is above this previous level right here. Okay, so that's that for what's it called? For both 600. So let's go to the final one, which is FX volume, and of course, if you're using 20. Okay, actually looking very, very bearish. But let's go to the 4-hour chart to see what's going on. Okay, recently broke above this level. Okay, we actually have a long way to go on the bullish. So going back to 15-minute chart, that means this is actually a good setup. But they really want to see a pullback first. This is actually a good setup, but then you have to wait for a pullback to give us a viable place to put our stop loss. Okay, so let me still use this to make it a bit clearer. After breaking above this previous structure, we want to see actually pull it back. Definitely going to pull back, at least show us that the bears are really wanted to take it below, but they're unable to do that. They of course showing a bullish candle close above it again. Then we go long, and of course we can target our minimum of 1:2 weeks to reward our ratio. Alright, that brings to the end of the analysis with World Trade. And just as I said earlier, in case you're not familiar with World Trade or the assets that just analyzed, you can share the description. I'll be leaving a link there for you to register. And in case it's your first time coming to watch my video, we do this every single day. Dropping analysis on Forex market, on cryptocurrencies, and of course on several other tradable assets. If that's not familiar, if you want to see more of this every day, do well to join the community by hitting the subscribe button, and of course don't forget the follow button, and of course the what's it called, the thumbs up if you feel this is important. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.